Hello, and welcome back to our series. Today, we're going to be generating a QR code for your website that you can easily share or incorporate onto your business cards or resort flyers. So, let's get started. First, prepare your website's link. Copy your website's link by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Next, Google Wix QR code generator and select this link from Wix. Here, scroll down to the bottom and select URL. Then paste your website's link here by pressing Ctrl+V. A QR code will be generated and it will show here on the right. Select your preferred size and choose your preferred colors. Then click on download. Now you'll be asked to select a file you'd like to download it as. In my case, it just says download here, but usually they'll display PNG, SVG, or JPEG. So just select a file. Once you select one, save it on your desired folder on your PC and make sure to rename it as well. Then click on save. And that's it. You now have a QR code. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.